Hey, hello viewers. I'm going to talk about the Aishwaryam property. We named this property name as Aishwaryam. It is located in the Samraj Nagar First Cross Street, Sembakam, Chennai. And this is a much widely planned road 30 with the 30 feet. And this building front face that you are looking at. And I'm just going to go closer, and the frontage is 40 feet and the length is 60 feet. Totally it comes about 2400 square feet, and it's a one ground property. As you see from this video, in the front you have a small shop, and the Innova size car can be comfortably parked inside the property. So you can say it's a covered car parking, right? And also you have two white coconut tree and one green coconut tree, and one sapota tree also there. In addition to that, you have a lot of space available to park two-wheeler also. And here you have a water connection came from Panchayat, that's also available. And sideways you can see this much open space is there, and lot of setback space is given. And this side you can see this space. And even I'm just going to walk closer to the back side of the property. You can go in the right side direction. And this is another coconut tree, totally 3 coconut tree and one guava tree also there. And this the back side of the property, you can see a lot of curry leaf plants also there. And this is a tulsi plant, and this is for washing the cloths. And you also have a papaya tree. And once you come here, this is another side of the setback space in the building. It is planned, and this adjacent property, and these are all the background view that you are seeing. And behind there is one property, and even this is mini apartment. And this is my right side neighboring house. Now I'm going to show you the 3 BHK house located in the first floor house. And this is a spacious 3 BHK planned with marbled flooring. And this entrance faced at the east direction, right? I'm just show you this as soon as you open the main door, you will get the much broader hall. And hall has 3 bedroom. And this is a space for keep the refrigerator. And here you have a puja room facing the east direction. And here again a marble floored attached bathroom with the bathroom, right? And this western toilet is planned. And this side you have a space to keep the luggages, and there is a provision to keep the air condition. And I'm just going to the kitchen. You have a kitchen located here. After the kitchen, if you pass, this is a kitchen space. Okay, after the kitchen, there is a passage like this, and there is a separate bathroom available here. It's an Indian toilet bathroom. And from the bathroom there is another entry. There's another bedroom. You can come to this bedroom. So this can be also planned like a attached bathroom that you will see from main hall location. And here there is another bedroom with the shelf and full facility. And here you can see the balcony. You will get the balcony from first floor. and from the balcony you see this space. Okay, this is about this 3 BHK plan. In the ground floor, same as this, except one room will not be there. The below the car parking in the car parking space. Now I'm going to go to the second floor. Second floor you have a type of 1 BHK type of a house. So this is terrace. It's open terrace available here, and separate bathroom latrine provision is there, and this is the entrance facing north direction, and you have unpartitioned kitchen can be provisioned here, and we just stay here when we come here. Otherwise I am rented out the other two property locations. It's a huge hall with furnitures, and similar to here you have one balcony is there. Okay, and after you come here, and there is a overhead tank planned above this room level, and its automatic water level controller is fixed in the water. So as soon as it's emptied, the water gets filled inside automatically. Okay, so from the top of the property, the surrounding property, you can see there's an so you feel like staying in a Kerala type of environment. So a lot of coconut trees and all other things are around the property, and plenty of air you will get from the terrace. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. Bye.